Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to delete Speechify account. Now if you want to delete a Speechify account but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the Speechify app on a device. So if you have not installed the Speechify app, you need to simply install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that, simply open the Speechify app, and as you can see, this is the homepage of Speechify, where you will see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as at the very center of the screen. Now to delete your Speechify account, click on the option of profile at the very bottom right of your screen, and this is the profile section where you'll see the option of your name and various all other things. So click on the option of gear like icon at the very top right, and from here you'll see the option of name, email address, subscriptions and all of it. So scroll down until you see the option of to close your account and delete your data permanently. So click on the option of tap here, and to delete it you just need authenticate to confirm delete action. So click on the option of authenticate. So I have signed up with Apple, so it shows the option of authenticate with Apple. So click on the option of sign in, and after verifying your face ID, a pop-up will appear saying are you sure that you want to delete your account. So if you want to delete it, click on the option of delete it, and you will be able to delete your account in this very easy step. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.